Good morning, everyone. We are in St. Martin today, and we cannot wait to get off the ship. We have an ATV excursion planned for the day. We're going to be all over the island riding those things, and I am so excited. I love riding ATVs.
Let's just hope it doesn't end up like the last time you went for an ATV excursion, shall we? And it is our last excursion day before 2 more sea days and wrapping this cruise up. So we're getting down to the nitty gritty.
I know.
We're gonna have some fun today.
It's starting to get to the sad time.
Don't let the depression sink in. Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay, honey. All right, cool. So here's a little glimpse of St. Martin as we pull in. We'll check back with you in a little bit. All right, a few minutes ago I was telling you guys about a hostile takeover here on the Carnival Horizon. The signal broke up. I'm pretty sure these creatures had something to do with the connectivity. They're trying to break down all access we have to the mainland. I think everything's gonna be okay. I mentioned earlier I just fear for the safety of myself and my family. Here's a quick one more glimpse of every one of these aliens here in the place. Trying to come in camouflaged. They're hiding, so we can't see them. They're just everywhere. And the worst thing is that they're also, not only are they deadly creatures, but they're also chair hogs. So hopefully everything will be okay for everyone on the Carnival Horizon. I just want to let you know there is a hostile takeover. We're working through it. Okay, we made it off the ship. There's the Carnival Horizon. There's Oasis of the Seas. Wow, she's a biggin'.
Celebrity Edge next to that.
Celebrity Edge is here too. All the big players are in town today, including Sharon at Sea. She's a big player too. All right, so we're gonna go find our tour and have a good time.
There's the ships over there. And we are just walking up this way. And look straight ahead. What do you see first there? A Diamonds International. There's one, I think, at just about every port. So as we're walking through the port here, heading to our ATV excursion, here is some of the things you're going to see in the port area, all the shopping. As you walk through the port here, if you're looking for a taxi, you can turn here and there will be a little station here, the taxi dispatch. That's where you can get a taxi. And then let's just go ahead here. We are going to head up here to go out of the port, and that's where our excursion will be. If you have a non-cruise line excursion, they'll be up here waiting for you. Here are all the different excursion companies out here. So if you don't have an excursion booked already, or if you have one, this is where you will find your guy.
All right, here we are at Splash in the Sun. It was a fun, exciting little trip over here as a couple of ATVs zipped us right down the road. You can see the port in the distance. Matthew's ready to rock and roll. Are you ready?
Yep.
Sharon's ready to do her thing. We got some good little bikes to get on, some ATVs. And here's the hostess with the mostest running the show here. She's the boss lady. She sets it up and sends us on our way. There's Sharon at sea, on land, on an ATV. Wow, that is gorgeous.
Yeah, if you look straight across, you should be able to see the airport.
Oh, okay, way out there.
That's where we're going.
Awesome.
We're going to go across the bridge and go to the airport.
Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. All right, so here we are at the beach area. I guess it's called Maho Beach, where the planes come in and land right over your head. Man, there's a whole deal going on here. They got a pool, a bar, restaurant, pizza. They got it all, but it's pretty early in the morning right now. I forget how early it is. So they're just getting this place opened up. There's Matthew. There you go. And here's Sherry. She's the one driving us around today. The boss lady.
Connoisseur of pizza, huh?
He is. Yes. He's well known across the YouTube world for his in-depth pizza reviews and all that good stuff.
By YouTube world.
I mean, by YouTube world, I just mean our channel.
Look.
Thanks. Here's a look at the menu. Matthew bellied up to the bar to get himself a, what do you got there, buddy? A whiskey? Jack and Coke? Rum and Coke? Oh, Coke and Coke with a Coke chaser? Good man. Good man. The Sunset Beach, SXM. So here's the beach area where the planes come in here. We are at the Sunset Beach bar and restaurant and pool and hangout. And everyone's got their chairs here. They're hanging out. These chairs you probably got to pay for. You got this free beach there you can hang out at. Everyone's just waiting on a plane to come in, but no planes on the horizon right now. Maybe we'll get lucky. We'll see what happens.
shopped here, a little local area where there's all kinds of shopping. If you can look behind us, you can see all across the street here. This used to be a lot of bakeries and everything before the hurricane. So this is all still kind of demolished, you know, from the hurricane. So we're gonna take a walk down the street here and check out the little pizza place and the bakery and some of the shopping.
And there you go. And we're
take
parked
you
right
along
up
with
here. We got our leader, Sherry's right there, hanging out. She's getting all lotioned up for the sun. The Harley tour came in right behind us, so we feel safe with those guys around. And let's go. Let's take a walk. Lots of cute little places to eat and drink at right around here.
There's even more shopping up there. A lot of more local.
Oh yeah, this is the real deal for if you want to hit the flea market scene. If you're looking for bargains, I think this is the place. I'm not sure if these are rentals or these are just little boats that get people to and from all the boats out there. I gotta assume that's what they are.
There's my new house over there.
Oh, is that what you're saving up for? Well, all your sharing at sea money is gonna go towards a Voyager 3 Dreamliner.
Oh my God, would that not be great?
Wow. Yeah. We could sell everything and just live on that. Very cool little area here. Let's go see Sharon at Sea in action.
Big around my stomach here. I don't know if it would look good on me.
Anything looks good on you, babe. Is that the right answer?
Friars Bay.
Friars Bay. And we are on the French side or the Dutch side?
French side.
French side of St. Martin. So there's the bay right over there, dropping down into the ocean right here. Girl, Sharon, look at her go, look at her go. Woo! Oh, we're gonna go four-wheeling now? I like it. We are, because we're bigger. We are so high that my ears are popping.
beautiful. It's like breathtaking. So over there to the right is the island
Matthew, just kind of turn your head just slightly,
Anguilla.
just like you're looking out.
Wow. Driven almost most of this entire island. We were over by that airport in the distance earlier. Drove all the way down and around. Made our way through all this beach area, the marina area we were at earlier. And we came all the way up here. It's insane and gorgeous and breathtaking. And there's the cruise ships. Wow, tremendous. Here we are currently at the highest point of this entire island. Right up here. Behind us are the radio towers. We took the ATVs up here. You can see the ships in the distance. Awesome. Alright, so that's Orient Beach to the left. And then you said, where is St. Bart's? And St. Kitts. Here we are coming down from the highest point on St. Martin. We got Team Matthew, Jamie. And ahead of us is Team Sharon at sea, on land, on a mountain, on an ATV. We're just hoping nobody comes up the other way. Look at this view, dude. I don't know whose house this is, but it's nice. Let's just make something up. That is Sylvester Stallone's summer home, isn't it? Here's Madonna's house. And this home belongs to the great Matt Damon. And this belongs to YouTube sensation Tony and Jenny of Lalito Loca. Oh my, look at that view. That's amazing. I'm not sure anyone else from the Carnival Horizon saw this view today. I'm just saying how lucky we are. Gorgeous. All right, here we are. We are in I mean, you want local? This is so local.
Just might be a little bit low on ice today.
That's okay. We'll drink right out of the can, buddy. We're easy going.
Okay.
What's the name again of the place?
Ciro's Lago One, yeah.
Okay. All right. Good deal. All right. We are here. We are at a local, very local place here. We're gonna check out some ribs, have a cool, refreshing Coca-Cola, and get a little treat before we head on back to the ship. So very cool. Very cool. All right. So we'll see how this is. They had an offering of a roast goat. We did pass on that. The oxtail stew, no thank you. A couple different chicken things, some grilled chicken, some baked chicken, okay. But then he said ribs. So we decided we're gonna check out some ribs. Oh yes, look at this little local, loving meal here. There's some rice, we got some ribs, a really fresh looking piece of avocado, some plantain, Wow, that is some good stuff. What do you think? You want some now, huh? Well, you don't have any. This plate's right in front of me now, isn't it? Oh, mine. Well, I know usually we do a pizza review, but today I have a ribs review here at the Lago One Restaurant, Bar, and Grill on St. Martin. It was amazing. Well, there's the ships. Horizon, Oasis, Edge, Summit, they're all there. Hello. All right, so if you take an outside excursion, they will drop you off just outside the port, same place about that you meet them, because they cannot come in the port area. So, so you get dropped off, and as you get back in the port, you know, when you leave in the morning, you're hurrying up to get out of here, but when you come back, you will find all of the shopping that you want to do. The Fudge House, all kind of spots right out here for shopping. There's also a fun little sign here. Hope to see you again soon, St. Martin. Although it's a little bit of a battle to get in front of there. Some fisticuffs almost started just because you know, there's not a particular line. They should have a number program, like number 5, number 9. It's your turn to have a picture. We waited a minute. Sharon really wanted the picture. We were trying to get it, and it just became a struggle. And we said, you know what? It's okay. We'll get it next time. Didn't we, babe?
Sure we did.
Yeah, we did. You could tell the disgust in Sharon's voice with that response there. So anyway, let me show you where we're going and head back to the ship. Shopping to the right. Shopping to the left. I'm trying to go as steady as I can, but you know I wobble sometimes like the song. Oh, there's some cruise ship action. All right, well, Sharon, how'd we do today in St. Martin?
We did awesome. It's gonna be up there with one of the best tours we've ever taken.
That's right, it was fantastic.
It was.
And now we're gonna get back on our ship. You know, we kind of feel like we're on one of the biggest, most beautiful ships around, and then we pull in here to St. Martin and we're competing with the Celebrity Summit, Celebrity Edge, Oasis of the Seas. I mean, boy, now we're on a tiny little ship, aren't we? But we love our Carnival Horizon. Take a look who's here with us. Carnival Horizon, Oasis of the Seas. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. That's a big ship. But although, you know, that ship did have some norovirus pretty bad a couple weeks ago. I'm just saying, don't go bashing me, Royal Caribbean fans. I'm just pointing out facts. Horizon, Oasis. Horizon, Oasis.
Horizon. Heading back